You can't say it's okay. So minority leader. Chief for no. Unfortunately, we cannot. So find it. No. Please take it down. Yeah. So can someone pick the mic for us?
Election year come, you won't say media, you say you freedom of media freedom.
Yes.
You can have you won't say TV3, TV3,
Ash FM,
TV media.
So what can media general for our platform? Okay.
There is a media general for no. I to say, Omodani at Council say. Adia bia NPP be ye eyefe kra enyefe mom.
Okay.
Tambia adidi attempt tambia pasa focus. Anya munkwana mu ye media houses.
Okay.
Media houses be by and I said no. So as MPP as a party no, from our communication directives no, not from our national officers we know. You say TV3, the media general, we are boycotting anything related to media general.
Okay.
You know, Munias Assembly. You know, decided what party near there. Media no show we decided not to participate in their program. They shouldn't participate in our program. Even Yama a straight warning to every party member, especially the communicators, say nobody should appear any platform of media general. Even say who say a party member and a communicator who you don't adhere to this directive, no, yeah, party a bit much suspend.
That is the initial warning. Amodiama party
warning no, so yes warning no, and Johnny Hughes, Johnny Hughes.
Johnny Hughes. Yeah.
Anytime you insult us, even some stand or insult us, say you boycotting. Now, but Omudu Omumike Brian there, nay, Kasa, nay, say Omudia, now is a son of Beka, no problem. Make sure you say, yeah, MPP for us, we are.
Hey.
So, yes, who don't he say? We are cowards. Yeah, see, you boycott the Omudi Mike Barney, Casa Omudo, Omusol Barney, Shane, which means we are coward. God, let me catch and say, MPP for yeah, coward. And also, yeah, you cast him, you do so.
Okay.
Yeah, you boycott there, you boycott much. So, yeah, by a press conference, and I am me, the national trade vice chairman, the general secretary, and then the parliamentary caucus, your mighty minority leader. So, everything, I mean, I meet general secretary, now leaders who 80 was a not general secretary, na team 50.
Okay.
Now, the BMO, the organizers, no more. So, let's start it, let's start it, Casano. Let me share medias for let me share Mike. Me share me be TV3 Mike. Let me say what? TV3 my program. Why not invite him? Nonsense. Why not invite him? So I was meanwhile let me say no to accept or to demonstrate to TV3 say NPP for ya boycott or Monday, ya boycott or Bachano. Na party no so na Obia who say yes, they are kind additional. So I have to pull out the TV3 mic down.
So you did it intentionally?
Because program. Obia should be home. We invited TV3.
Okay.
Because I'm Chabia now John Huge. No, didn't I'm saying they invite you. I'm telling the good people of Ghana that NPP did not invite TV3 anywhere near to our program.
And the German, but before I bet was no, maybe some question about him. May say intentional. O share that na ball mic and not to train.
Intentional. Say we. And yes, I shall and yes, I'm a shadow. And yes, I'm a shadow. Me, I'm to kill you. Why now share that ball mic? Because not for me, cry me video me bo. Me video name say be na upe yes ye. Bi no say na me and who share that now G mic no to twene. Me na me G mic no to ho because yam pe omo ye. You know me asem bia. Dia omudi dia. They should stay in their corner. No munja and no money even as I'm talking now. So any communicator from the New Patriotic Party appear on their platform, we are going to suspend the sad communicator.
Hey. But Chama Bani say we be say money media no ebenya war near the basa intimate more and more man in cheche because you may need them. They also
media, every journalist, you know. If you graduated and come out to teach, I would say journalists are the mapping of the vulnerable and then these people, good people of Ghana. Any media, no.
Okay.
Oh, graduate, you know, if you come out to stand for justice.
Okay.
Oh, by say we are Emma Ukonfo, only vulnerable. Ukonfo, Omar 7 to be far.
Yes.
But you are not supposed as a media to come and be like an opponent to some political party, and your everything is to attack the party. Your everything is to attack the political party. Everybody, it's clear out. It is out there. Obiahun, now, Boni, TV3, NPP, Omudi, John Hughes, to me, Didi atem, Didi flag bearer atem, Didi Akufo-Addo, Didi Nkrumah me real TV kura me TV3 we kura me since the time me observe say this is what the TV3 are doing to the New Patriotic Party. Must stop TV3 me TV3 kura because me no me kuma no the NPP masa me NPP sin me am kasa kura me kuma me life. I like NPP more than my life.
Okay. Chairman, this is say
me who be this me ko me say NPP tikura me ko wu okura I swear I will die.
Okay. I did. And Chairman they say the we here say or more report so cause damage to or more MFD ni ade a what will you say?
And then
o say
no me fear no one from sanka our intention is to see something and go and damage us out there. This is a warning to the media general. This is a warning to TV3 that you stay away from the New Patriotic Party. Anywhere we are having our program, and we are lucky. The next time they joke in our program,
hey, Chairman, this is serious. Chairman, Masaud, say okay said the next time TV3 and media agenda beba mo program as mo ba bo mo it is too harsh. Onim say